Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make collage paper on dryer sheets. This is a dryer sheet that it's used, of course. I ironed it first with a very low iron. And I have a bunch of different tissue papers that I've kind of torn. I've cut out some little dots and just different napkins and tissue papers. And I'll probably use some gold leaf as well. You'll need some Elmer's glue, a flat wash brush, a bowl or something to put your glue in, and this is a plastic tablecloth that I have on the table because that's how you're going to dry your sheets. So what you want to do is mix some water in your glue and make it kind of thin, but not too thin, but thin it out, like at least 50%. So that it feels creamy and liquidy, so that you can spread it on to your dryer paper. And this paper is very fibrous, so it's going to hold. What's great about it is it will hold all my collage or my pieces of tissue paper together. So I'm just going to start by laying down some papers. And I'll just start here. I'll put this pretty paper down. It's just plain old tissue paper. Oh, I forgot to say, you first need to. Before you get started here, Karen. You first just need to put some glue onto some watered down glue onto your dryer sheet. And go ahead and saturate it. It will peel off the tablecloth at some point, so no worries. Just do it. Go ahead and use that tablecloth as your base, because later on it will peel off. So now that you've got some glue, then you can apply your papers. And just in any way you want, just put some paper down and then just brush over it. And it can wrinkle, which makes it more interesting, having that texture of the wrinkles in the paper. Or you can make it not wrinkle. It just depends on your taste. Now I'm noticing here I made my glue just a little bit too thick. So I'm going to add a little bit more water. If it just drags onto the paper and makes it just pull up, you've got way too much glue. So adding a little water really made a difference. I'm able to just brush it on without any problems. So now I'm just going to add some more papers and just see what I've got here. I'm going to add this. This is a napkin. This is from a paper napkin that I had, and I tore the lining off. And I'm just going to go ahead and brush that on. And kind of brushing it from the inside going outwards. And if you find that you want to add, here we go, just put a generous amount of liquid on it, because it will soak in better that way, of course. And it will make it fuse very well together. So I've got this piece here, and I'm just going to add I'm going to just do 3 pieces kind of going down the middle of this. You can always make more glue concoction. And you want to cover, basically the whole goal is to cover the entire collage sheet, or the entire dryer sheet. So I'm going to just go ahead and do that with my pieces here. Now I have some gold leaf, some old gold leaf that I've had for a really long time. And I'm just going to take one of the sheets. I'm just going to take it apart and just drop some of it, the pieces of it, onto my dryer sheet. These are really large, but I just thought it'd be fun to see how that looks. You can also make these small by kind of crumpling it up. And when you crumple it, and it should come into smaller pieces. You can see how that just kind of crumble it on. I like lots of glimmer in my stuff, so we'll see how it works. I'm just going to go ahead and brush the glue over it. Now just for the very final part of when you're finishing this up, just put a few different shapes, lay them on top, and to finalize your composition. And when you're satisfied, just do one more layer of glue, a very light layer of glue. And if you want to make this a matte finish, you could put a matte medium over this after the glue has dried. Just a very light coating. Now this is where, now that you've finished your composition, and you can make papers wrinkle over it. It'll dry perfectly. It'll dry flat, but it will have the texture of whatever you've put on it. And just kind of check that, make sure you're happy with it, and then let it dry overnight, and then peel off the final collage sheet.